top and have a look. Light right now, can't really see the trail too well. Trying to follow these boys.
Maneuver.
Let me get out of the way a bit more.
Tell you what, if you just grab onto that ski and just help me roll it.
Okay.
And then just shove some snow in there. There, can you kick some snow under the truck? Okay. Oh, that's perfect. Thank you so much.
Oh, good, man. I'm sure I'll need it at some point.
Yeah! Just a little shit hook and then it can work. Hey, little. 1, 2, 3.
Well, here's my first stuck of the day. Take the board off. Keep it going, keep it going.
Hey, Fred!
All right. Nice. Oh, how good is this day right now? Happy New Year's. The snow. Oh, so good. Whew. Oh, here we go. So nice. Nice.
How was the shoot?
Oh, it was so good. Well, we're making our way back down now, and I'm not feeling that good, honestly. My head is pounding, but we're gonna try and push on, go home, grab the motor, go out for a ride, and see how that takes us. And yeah, it's been we did a couple of snowboard laps here and did some power turns on the sled. It's been pretty sick. But time to pack it in for the day for this one. Eat some food, get some coffee. Dude, I have not had coffee all day. I am literally caffeine deprived. Anyway, I'm gonna go do that. I'll see you guys on the trail. Bye. Let's go dirt biking. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I was very close to not going for a ride right now. On the way home from sledding, I was really not feeling good. And I was ready to call it a day, but I drank my coffee, took some Tylenol, had some water and some lunch. And honestly, I'm feeling pretty good now. So we're gonna go out. We're gonna take it easy, for sure. My legs are pretty tight, but I'm gonna go do some easy trails just to get out on the bike and enjoy this New Year day. So I guess I should stop talking and we should just get right into it, right? I also got the GoPro Media mod for Christmas, and hopefully that helps with the sound. I mean, it's the first time I'm using it, and I haven't tested it yet, and I got it on, so hopefully you guys can hear me a little bit better right now. I guess I'll find out when I go home, but yeah, hopefully it sounds better and you guys can actually hear me talk right now. But, let's get into it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I'm not too sure what to ride right now. I think I'll go this way. And I might just stick to some blue trails right now. To be honest, I kind of felt pretty good coming up that. But yeah, let's just go. Let's just rip. Maybe I should start doing some new trails for YouTube, but one of these tired arms gonna start kicking in, I think, pretty soon. Tired arms are kicking in, guys. Thinking of doing something a little bit easier, but it's feeling so good right at the beginning. But here we are. We know Moto World, so we know it's not very long, it's not too hard. Let's just keep going at it. Nice, there we go. That haven't ridden Moto World want to, I suggest sticking left, going out this way. It's so much easier. Whew. So much easier than trying to go right. That little log to get up that I just did, it's really not too bad. So last time on Moto World, stick left, and you'll enjoy going up that a lot more, especially than what I did the first few times. So there we go, one trail done already. I was starting to get a little upset earlier on my way home from sled, and I really did not want to get sick or be getting sick, especially for the first day of 2025. The last thing I want to do is be sick for it. So I'm glad I kind of made a bit of a turnaround. I'm not sure what tomorrow's going to be like. I'm definitely pushing myself right now. Oh yeah, this looks fun. This is my first time riding a dirt bike in the snow. I mean, this isn't Cant. This is kind of more ice than snow. So, I mean, I'm going to take it pretty easy. But it's still fun. Look at it. So good. For you guys that are new to my channel and just watching some of my videos, I only just started dirt biking. Well, only, I mean 8 months ago. I guess we could say that was last year now. Bought a bike last year. About 8 months of riding on it. First bike ever. Honestly, I'm absolutely loving it. It's so good. I mean, a place like here, how can you not? It'd be so rude not to. So many trails at your fingertips. So many good trails. Like, honestly, how good is this? This is so nice. Honestly, what a good day to start the year. I am not complaining, you guys. This is so good. As much as I don't want to, I think it's time to end the day. It has been so good. So good. I mean, besides feeling under the weather, made a pretty good comeback around and feeling so good right now. But I think that means I should go home. Which means that's going to be the end of this one today, guys. Honestly, so good. I hope everyone had a really good New Year's Day. And I hope everyone has a really good year. Honestly. I mean, I hope I have a really good year too. But I hope you guys have a really good year. So, I'm going to leave you. I'm going to ride home. Cook some dinner. Relax for the rest of the afternoon. Give my dog a cuddle. And that's it. Happy New Year, everybody. I'll see you next time. Oh, yeah.
You know what it is.
Don't forget to...
Don't forget to like and subscribe.